Again, I have to do this again. Welcome back to Between Two Servers, another exciting episode. I'm your host, Hayden Baillio, and I'm here with Rohit Bahardwaj. Thanks for being here, Rohit.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Hayden, for having me here.
Yeah. You will see if you still feel the same way after this.
Okay.
So, Rohit, your bio mentions you're a security ninja. Is that because your actual security practices are invisible or just mythological?
It's as good as it can get. Now you can think about Elon Musk. What Elon Musk does? He punches everybody to make the things done. That's what it is. If you are a ninja, you have to protect yourself. And that's what it is. It's a style. It's a style which you have to achieve. I have my two daughters, both are karate, and you can think about it. Elon Musk thinks about any problem and looks at first principles. Solve it with the first principle. Any security problem coming to you. I had a talk on security, on LLMs. Now there are not SQL injections, but prompt injections are coming in. Now when you say prompt injection, Rohit, what are you talking about? You're nonsense. You're talking about this. No, I'm not nonsense. The fact is prompt injections are making Microsoft code come out. They were hacked some time back. So I am excited about this field. That's why I love it.
He's excited and I'm a little scared for my life. You see those punches? Well, thank you for that passionate speech.
Yes.
Listen, Rohit, you got more degrees than a thermometer, yet you're giving a talk on the C4 model, which is basically just drawing boxes with arrows. Was Harvard out of challenging material?
Well, the main thing is it doesn't matter C4 or C5. I hope we are not talking about that C. That's a different C. The main thing here is how can I communicate a problem to you in a way you understand. If you're a CEO, you understand the problem in the CEO language. Hey, you money, dollar, money, money, money. So I went in to Chinese store. In that Chinese store, that girl told me, no money, no honey. No money, no honey. So that's true. So that means if you don't have the money, there is no one here to work with. That means how can you increase your sales or decrease your cost? That's the only way you can do that. Same thing is true. If you're talking to a developer, you talk in their language. You say that, hey, this is the way we are able to design this solution. Now you take a right turn or the left turn to solve this puzzle. So that's where the C4 comes along. Hopefully that's a good C4, not the bad C4. Yeah.
And if the CEO doesn't listen to your impassioned speech, you just punch them with your ninja skills until they agree with you?
So customer is always right. Customer is always right. If Elon Musk came along, and I give you another example of him, he was around Christmas time, he said that, hey, why are we having 3 server farms? I don't want to pay that much money. Money. So he said that, hey, I want to reduce the cost. And he asked the engineers, hey, do it in 3 months. He said, it's 6 months job. Then he called them again after 1 hour. He said, okay, do it in 1 month. It's like, okay, we'll try to do it in 1 month. Everybody went away. Now he went in his plane, going to Houston to work on the other project. And he said that, okay, turn around the flight. He turned around that flight with his boxer. He went in. He said that, he went into the facility. He said that, I want to come in this facility. Security guy said, yeah, come in. And he asked his boxer, do you have the knife, small knife? Yes, I have the knife. He cut down all the stuff. And X still worked without any problem. So that's what it is. It's a matter of looking at what is needed and providing a perspective from our side. Now, Elon Musk can do it, first principles. Any other engineer or CIO can also do it. The way to communicate with them is to talk in terms of dollars.
Money.
Money. No money, no honey.
As Confucius said as well. As someone specializing in multi-tenant cloud-native solutions, how does it feel knowing your actual job is just making sure different companies don't accidentally see each other's data?
Well, my job is to understand the problem. If there is no problem, let me ask a question to you. It's a simple question, you know.
Are you the interviewer now?
Yeah, let me ask a simple question. You know, which movie do you like the most?
It's a good question. I've always had a hard time answering this question.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, you can pick Marvel, you know, maybe Marvel, you know, you can Avengers, Spider-Man.
You really put me on the spot here.
Yeah.
Let's go with Pretty Woman.
Pretty Woman, yeah. Well, Pretty Woman is fine. Like, but the main thing is, like, you know, in Pretty Woman also, there is a villain. The bigger the villain, the bigger the price.
Okay.
So that's what it is. The gold mine is to find the bigger the villain. If you can solve for that big problem, that's it. That's what I do. That's what I spend my time on. I look at the big rocks, solve for the big rocks. All the small rocks can come through.
Okay. So you work at Salesforce.
Yes.
So I have to ask, do you also need 17 clicks to accomplish simple tasks in your personal life too?
Now think about it, clicks. Click is important. If something clicks, you understand the problem, what's going on. If, like, you're talking to me, does it resonate with you? Does this problem resonate with you or not? He said, yeah, this problem resonates with me. Yeah, it clicks with me. And that's what happens. Now, what Salesforce can do it, which is a really great thing, it can do the Google Analytics on finding out on the screen where are you clicking. Based on that, you reduce the number of clicks from, in your case, 17 clicks to no clicks.
But I'm saying it takes me 17 clicks to do anything in Salesforce.
And what I come in to make it no clicks for you, I can challenge that. High five.
Okay. You heard it here first. No clicks in Salesforce from now on.
No clicks. You just get the job done. Get the money.
Money, money, money.
Money, money, money.
You've designed resilient microservices architectures. Is that your way of saying we broke our monolith into 200 pieces and now no one knows how anything works?
So if you think about resiliency, what does that mean? Resiliency. Resiliency does not mean breaking it apart. It's as if I'm a friend of you, I want to keep with you. I want to keep good numbers with you. The reason is that what people use the microservices model was, hey, create separate small microservices. Like, why do they do that? Shooting yourself on the foot. I told to my friend Mark Richard the same thing. Like, why the heck are you doing this? He had it in his book also, the same thing. I said that, okay, co-locate the microservices. Whoever needs to be co-located, combine them together, but can you create co-located microservices in the modular fashion? And that's what you call it, and that is the best way of implementing any solution. So resiliency does not mean that you create multiple smaller architectures and then now make them work together with each other. That's called a big ball of mud. You know, big ball of microservices mud. And that's something we want to.
I think out of all of that, I understood the word mud.
Mud, yeah, you bet. Mud is very important.
Yeah.
And you can do, you can go into Ho Caliente, put the mud, and then when you put the mud and you're in the sun, you get a really cool sun bath.
Mud bath.
Mud bath, yes.
All right. You're a director at Salesforce, and on a scale from slightly uncomfortable to existential dread, how does it feel knowing your company's main product looks like it was designed in 1998?
It is true. It is designed in 1998, and that is the fun part about it is every 4 months, it is changing. So change is part of it. If you're going to put the same tire on for the whole time, it's not going to work. You have to change the tires every month, every 2 months, and you're going to change the whole engine. So you put the new engine, which is agentic engine, which is calling autonomous agents. Autonomous agents mean we are talking to each other, we are doing the interview, Now in the future, you're going to have bots talking to each other and doing the interview, and then bot is over there is able to now come in and say that, oh, what are these guys talking? So machine talking to machine to solve a problem, what these humans are doing, what these stupid humans are doing, why they are coming here in this conference and doing things, nonsense stuff here, and to make it happen. So I say that it's an incremental progress. How about we make our life easier? If somebody can make my life, salesperson's life easier by automatically making a call from your side on your behalf, and you have a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy and do what else is needed to really get the revenue, money, 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 money. So that's that's what the Salesforce provides.
Well, thank you so much, Rohit, for joining me on this episode of Between Two Servers. I learned nothing. I couldn't really follow much of what you said, but you seem to be very knowledgeable about it, and I really appreciate you coming on. And also, money, 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 money.
Money, 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 money. That's good. No money?
No honey.
Honey. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.